I don't know if anybody played with these bits. I got recently this very old one. Obviously it's a little bit dull. So before I start trying to use it, I want to sharpen it. I have literally no idea what I'm doing, but I think I can figure out on the way. There are a few surfaces here that I'm really looking at keeping sharp. So there's this surface that can be sharpened, and there's this surface. So I think to keep the diameter, I cannot touch on this side. So I can touch anything on this side or this side if I can even put my instrument in anywhere there. But I cannot touch this one, at least not in any significant fashion, otherwise I will be reducing the diameter and probably things will go bad. So hopefully I will not fail too much. But who knows. I don't really have a very good setup and I have never done this before. I'm assuming I can use just a file for this one and maybe hone with diamond plate. This one has very bad shape, so I will try to do quite a bit. I did not notice I destroyed this part. Well, let me do this part. I can do this one. Well, I have destroyed a little bit. I didn't destroy it too much. But this one, I feel the burr. So that's good. And I have one more side. I need to carefully do something. Well, it's kinda burr except the corner, this side. So just want to remove the burr, I guess. For the inside. I don't think I need to be super sharp. If it's better sharp, then it's better. But even this level of sharp should be good enough. Okay, yeah, they went downstairs, and that will be it. Okay, I'll pretend that this is sharp. I'll just pretend. I have no idea. Probably not, but we'll see in a second. I don't know how many years old is this thing, but it's quite old. I'm ready to try. No, it's not gonna work. How would I hold you, me? Well, I may need to step up on the chair so I can put more pressure. I'm cutting right on. Oh! I'm actually at the end. Oops. Uh-oh. I destroyed my jaws. Well. I can say this operation was super successful. This is a huge hole I made just using this thing. I will still need to learn how to use this tool because the diameter, well, not consistent. I'm surprised that even with this tiny sharpening that I did, I made the tool work. Ooh, I know this is a wine opener, just not a bottle but the barrel. That's for sure.